Addiction. Addiction is not about the substance. It's about the feeling the substance gives you. We human, we don't chase products. We chase the emotion behind the product. People don't smoke because they love smoking. They smoke because it calms their mind. People don't take drugs because they love needles or powder. They take them because it silences their pain. People don't scroll social media because they care. They scroll social media because the world inside their phone feels easier than the world inside their mind. People don't watch porn for relief. They watch porn to escape boredom. So, what I'm trying to say is that addiction is not based on the substance, it's based on the feelings, the emotion the substance gives you. That's why I say addiction is an emotional escape disguised in pleasure. This is English Focus. But as the brothers tell us, stay tuned. Hi.